what up, people? It's your boy Jinnxx in the building once again, and you know how we do. Today, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to do a viral TikTok dance choreographed by official Tekilar. Let's dive right into it. And just before we do, I need you guys to take note of our directions. This is gonna be our right, obviously, and this is gonna be our left, okay? So for ease of understanding, I'm gonna put it up on the screen. You're gonna see the right hand sign up here and the left hand sign up here. So you're basically having this groove for the first combination. So take note of this. You're just coming on your toes and bouncing your knees. When you do this, you want to send your right arm up and you move to the left with this. Send your left hand up and you move to the right with that. And we'll go into the third and 1, 2, 3. So if you take note, the third moves with every bump here. So I'm going to put it together, but that third move, we're going to do it 3 times. So 1, 2, 3. So it should look as smooth as this. 1, 2, and we bump 1, 2, 3. Perfecto. So once we've gotten that out of the way, we'll go right into the next combination. You want to close your feet. So take note of our legs. So after the third bump, just close your feet like this. You're gonna need this. And you open it up when your hand goes down. So bam. And you close it up when the other hand goes. So I'm basically doing this 1, 2, 3, 4. Your gaze is gonna be towards the right side when you close your feet and you go 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so and we move forward with that. Okay, we move 3 times forward with that. So we'll finish with this 5, 6, and 7. Go. You're basically running forward like this, but now you engage your waist when you do that. Bam, bam, bam. Perfect. So put it together and finish with this and see how it looks. 5, 6, and 7, and go. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Bam, bam, bam. Perfect. Once you've gotten that out of the way, we'll move forward into the next combination, which is going to be bam, bam, bam. So your legs are apart now, and you go 1, 2, head. So 3 counts. To get the hang of this, you have a bent knee. Your right hand goes out, your other hand goes out, and your head comes up. And you want to go 1, 2, 3. Or your shoulder just comes up and down, up and down, up and down. When you do that, your neck just opens up like this. This is from a viral TikToker. His name is Jude. You can check him out. So 5, 6. To get the breakdown of this, remember bent knees, one hand out, the other hand out, and your head goes up, and shoulders go 1, 2, 3, 4. That is without the legs. You just get comfortable with this and this. So these are the elements that makes up this dance. So you basically go into this. Get comfortable with it. So you do that up to 8 times. You get really comfortable with it while executing. So next combination, we want to go get comfortable with this movement. But when you do that, your hand goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So once we have our hands right above our head like this, we're going to step out to our right. We go 1 and 2. One more time, 5, 6. Go 1 and 2. Good. And we stop and we go 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So you're just moving forward 3 times. I move back 3 times as well. So 5, 6, and 7, and go, and 1 and the 2, and 1 and 2. Perfect. So put it together right from here and see how we do. 5, 6, go, and 1 and 2, and pause. 1, 2, 3, back, back, back. Perfect. So once we've gotten that out of the way, move into the next combination, which is gonna be, we step our right leg forward, bam, and you move your leg, you move your hips, bam, and your shoulders, bam. So there are 3 combinations right there. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3. Okay? So 5, 6, go. 1, 2, 3. Then you want to fade, and stop here. Once you're here, you move forward 4 times, like you're pointing someone and you're going to nod your head while you do every step. So without the heads and hands, we're basically stepping 4 times, like so. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. So 5, 6 from the hips. 5, 6, go. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. Once that is out of the way, you want to fade to a stop and you step forward 3 times. 1, 2, 3, and you relax some foot. And we go 1 and 2, 1, 2, and up. Then you tap your head while slow winding 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Then you send the shock wave from your core to a stand. Boom, boom. Good. We'll try to make that intense. This is what you're basically doing. You're just shaking till you come up. But to get the actual move, just make it intense and hold your core. Boom. Good. Then we're going to the next combo, which is 1, 2, 3. So I'm basically saying calm down, yeah? And we go 1, 2, 3. So once that is out of the way, we send our hand across from the right to the left, and our legs are going to follow suit. And we go 1, 2, 3, and you want to double over here. Double, double, bam, bam. So try to make that a little bit faster. So you see how it really looks. And we go 1, 2, 3, boom, boom, bam, bam. Nice.